Okay, what we are going to do here today is, let me show that as a drawing. We have one data set, which is a full data set, and we have another partial data set. And we are going to join these two data sets within inside SpotFair.
Okay.
I'm not able to see your screen.
I'm sharing now, right now.
Hello.
Hello? Satish, you're not able to see my screen? I mean,
Okay.
How about you, Sudheer? Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yeah, I'm able to see, but even Vasundhara is also telling that she is not able to view the screen.
I guess it's a network problem. So let me know when you're able to see my screen. Vasundhara, is it still not visible? Oh, she has not logged. Okay, she's still not connected.
Yeah, I'm not able to see it right now also.
Oh.
Can you close that go to meeting and relog in again?
Me or Satish?
No, Satish, I'm asking Satish. Vasundhara, are you able to see?
Yeah, now I'm able to see paint, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
See,
Satish, can you, log out and...
Even I'm not seeing.
Even I face
I'm not
same
getting voice
problem
also clearly.
till now.
No, you just close the go to meeting and again log in.
Okay.
Okay, we are going to look at joining two data tables in SpotFair, how to do it.
Yeah, Vasundhara. So meantime, so let Satish join.
Okay.
So can you record the session as well?
How can you let me know so I can do it?
So under file actually screen sharing option is there.
1 second. Under file, nothing is like unable to visible here.
File options view help is there, right?
File options.
View help. Under that there is one tab actually, screen sharing. If you expand that, you can see that a start recording option.
Madam, can you give me, sharing to my desktop?
Oh,
Presenter,
presenter. Okay. Or
Satish, have you joined?
You want? Vasundhara, you will be able to do that now. I have to make you organizer. Are you able to see that? Start recording there.
Recording.
Start recording. Button. Under okay, I made Vasundhara the presenter.
Yeah, under view.
You accept that request.
Already I
Okay.
have accepted.
Mm.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here
No,
which
not here. You
Oh,
just
you
go
install
to
the
that, go to meeting.
install the yeah
Go to meeting
client
option.
install the client.
Yeah, close this browser actually.
No, she has this client installed and it's there on the taskbar.
Yeah, go
okay.
to taskbar and open the go to meeting.
Not able to go.
Not able to move.
I think it's true.
Can carry and already Sudheer is going to record it. Now I'll
Yeah.
take it from.
Okay. So, Sudhir, please, share it with both of them, and
Okay.
they'll be able to see that. So, today we are going to look at joining two data tables in Spotfire. And which involves say we'll be looking at two different data tables. See here, this has got, for now what we are going to see is the budgetizer data. So
I think somebody is using
hello,
laptop speakers.
yeah. So I'm adding budgetizer onto Spotfire. Okay. Right, are you able to see? I mean, I'm adding two different data tables. Okay, so here I got two different data tables here. One of them is called budgetizer and the second one is the budgetizer finance. Can you use microphone instead of laptop speaker?
Satish, are you using speakers or headphones?
Okay, or please go on mute if you are using laptop speakers so that the voice does not echo. You see this? There are two different data tables here. One is budgetizer and another one is budgetizer finance. Basically, you could possibly be adding two different disjoint data with only one single, or a column which is common to both the data tables. And we are going to join, join these data in Spotfare. So either you could have, say, something like orders and returns, and based on order ID you can join both these data tables. I just used a familiar data set that you already know, which is the budgetizer, and what I did is I used the full data set in one and the partial data set in another one. So what you see is same data set with partial data in one data table and full data in another data table. And once we create an inner join and we establish a relationship, we'll be only be able to see the partial data. You get my point there? Hello?
Okay.
Okay. See, this is one way of doing things, or you could join say data from another Excel file. Let me add one more Excel file. See, I got three sheets there in the Excel file. One is orders, another one is returns, another one is users. Here, orders table, we have the orders table, and then you have the returns table, the number of items returned after the order has been placed. And here we have a common column in both the data tables, which is the order ID. So we are going to link between these two data tables based on the column order ID. So let's see how to do that. So I'm importing the orders sheet into Spotfare. Okay, so done. The return sheet from the same Excel file. From the same Excel file, I'm going to import another sheet, which is the returns dataset. Earlier we imported order sheet. Now we are importing the return sheet. Do you see importing two sheets in Excel file separately? See, we have based on order ID. We have some column there. Got some extra data there. I mean, the budgetizer data. Let me delete that budgetizer data. Right. Do you see now we have two data tables in Spotfare. One is orders, another one is returns. Returns. And the common column between these two tables is order ID. So we are going to establish a relationship between these two tables based on the order ID, and what we are going to use is inner join. We are going to write a query like this. We're not going to write a query, but Spotfare will in a sense create a query like that. See, select O dot star R dot star from orders, inner join, returns, on o dot order id equal to r dot order id. Are you able to see this? This is the query that is going to run behind the join here, and what we are bringing is this returns table has got two columns. One is order ID, and then is status. So in the final result set, we'll have all columns from the orders as well as status appearing in the data set. And what we are going to do is we are going to filter the data in orders based on the status column in the returns data table because of this join. Does that make sense? Sudheer, Satish, Vasundhara?
Yeah, Varun.
Okay. Vasundhara?
Varun, I'm not able to see your screen properly, so that's why I'm not able to speak anything.
You're not able to see my screen? Oh my god. Okay. I guess it is network latency there.
Yeah,
my
so
end
when I,
network
Yeah. Sudheer, yes?
yeah, so I think the bandwidth from your end is
I missed it.
But Sudheer, you
bandwidth from
yeah.
yeah, we are not able to capture the mouse movements, whatever you are performing on that tool, no?
Okay.
So we are not able to see that
But
technique flow.
But are you able to see the picture which I have drawn here?
Yeah, I'm able to see the picture.
Okay. We have two tables, orders and returns. Common column is order ID. Orders has got lot of columns there. See this?
Is somebody using, I think, a laptop speaker setting? Can you go on mute?
I think my end I forgot it.
Okay. Yeah.
See.
Please continue. Varun.
Oh. Let me rename the data table so that you'll be able to understand things perfectly. Are you able to see this now? Okay, we have orders table which has got a lot of information: discount, shipping cost, customer ID, product category, product subcategory, except status column, whether it is returned or not. And returns table has got order ID and the return status. See order ID here in the orders table and order ID in the returns table. So we are going to link between these two columns. Let me. So we are going to link between column order ID here with this order ID. And we are going to limit orders data table based on the status column in the returns table. We have two data tables. One is orders and the other one is returns. And once we create the join, the inner join, based on the order ID column, change the color. We're going to join based on order ID and then limit the order table based on the status column in the returns table. Does that make sense? Oh, there is still a lot of echoing there. So,
yeah, Varun.
message me here. Step 1, our idea is objective. Satish? Okay, anyway, you will be recording the session, right? So, Sudheer, you're still recording, right?
Yeah.
So, let me, erase all drawing. Okay. Now, this is how you do the thing. Go to data table properties, click on relations, click on manage relations, show relations for orders, click on new. You add both the table sets.
So there is some delay actually.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it slow.
Yeah.
First, click on data table properties. Did you see that?
Almost a 5 seconds delay is there.
5-second delay?
Yeah.
So let me know when you're able to see my data table properties. Oh, my end. Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, I'll check that. Okay. So are you able to?
Sudheer? Sudheer?
Okay, next I'm going to click on the relations tab of the data table properties. And click on the manage relations button on the relations tab. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to click on new.
Yeah, we can see him.
I'm going to pick order ID column as the column for joining the two data tables. I'm creating a bar chart and making sure that the bar chart uses the orders data table, and then I will filter the data using status column from the returns data table. So right click on the bar chart, go to properties, go to data tab, and make sure that orders is selected there. The data table used is orders, and then I pick some value there on the y-axis. Formatting the bar chart now. Picking sales on the y-axis and order priority on x-axis. Sorting the bar chart. Can you see that there are two data tables on the filter panel? One is orders and the other one is returns. Now look carefully. Okay, look carefully. This is what I am going to first configure. Do you see this particular icon here?
No.
Okay. This will determine how filtering will happen based on these join relationship between these two data tables.
Okay.
See, when I click on it, do you see ignore filtering there?
Yes. Yeah.
If it is ignore filtering, if this one says ignore filtering, then whatever changes that you make here will not affect this one. Basically, it just ignores the filtering.
Individual filter ignoring, Varun, is this?
If you ignore filtering, then whatever filtering that you do on the returns table will not affect the orders table. And vice versa.
It will affect an orders table, right?
No. If we choose ignore filtering, then whatever filtering is done on returns data table will not affect the orders data table. and vice versa. We need to pick filtered rows only option. Click on orders, and then on filtering returns I say include filtered rows only, and on returns I'm going to click, and then in filtering in orders I'm going to say include filtered rows only. Okay, and now I'm going to expand return. Yeah, sorry, hello. Yeah, now I'm going to expand returns, and then unfortunately I have only one status here, which is return, so I'm going to filter based on the order ID here, and you will see corresponding data change in the bar chart. See that? Do you see the bar chart updating?
Yeah.
Okay, got it? I mean, we have filtered one data table here based on the filter in another data table, and which is possible because of the setting that you have created, wherein we establish a relationship between two different bar charts. Okay, let me reset the filters.
So how you are resetting the filters? By
Clicking,
dragging the sidebar?
clicking on the reset filter button.
Okay. Yeah, I got you.
Okay. I shall upload the data file with I'll upload the data file as well as the DXP file, so we'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Both are
Yes, Varun, one more concern.
So in case if I want to view any prior process about this topic,
what? Sorry?
no, in case if I want to view this class area, you already connected a couple of sessions, right? So just in case if I want to view this session, have you covered any of the videos?
You mean recording?
Joining, yeah.
I've already uploaded some recording, and I got some recording files.
In case if I want to view only this class, particular class.
Okay, because this
Because
the
so
recording.
initially we had not captured,
Yeah, recording will have the date captured. See that on the file there will be date.
Now my question is, I think you have covered this topic for some other batch, right?
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think I have.
So-
See, there is another batch running at 6 o'clock, but their
Koteshwar.
yeah, but their session is put on hold because the vendor has asked to put them on hold because they are attending interviews and some of them are attending interviews. So I'm thinking of having a
Okay,
combined
okay.
session sometime if the I'm going to ask you like sometime to join on a combined session. Maybe like I'll ask them to join on 5 o'clock session so that we can share some video recording. If one of the guys have already got Spotfire server installed on his laptop,
Okay.
so you can see that thing in action.
At least, and no, actually, in case if you covered any of the batch, so just I want to view this
Those
video.
I think
Why? Because
I think I've already shared those folders here.
Okay.
Remember, I mean, see this.
So where I can find this particular topic video?
Yeah, we need only today's particular class,
See,
Varun. We are looking for that.
today's today's session, right? See,
Yeah,
Yeah, today's session.
okay.
completely.
Because
I
initially
missed
we
it
have not
today's
captured
session.
the initial, that mouse
Oh, okay, but that will be captured anyway.
motion.
See,
Okay.
look at this. I'm gonna add the DXP which I've created today.
Whichever you are doing in that Spotify tool, that I think so we missed it for recording also, Varun. That's what Sudheer was telling to me.
Oh. No problem. We'll, I have a recording at my end. Let me see what I can do about that. So I'm going to stop the recording.
Please, is there any recording? Today's session, is there any recording session we can
Yeah.
see what and all?